guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a look with my best friend's collab. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy for her and so excited. Like, she worked so hard on this. I remember when this was all in the works and she was asking me and Tina our opinions on the shades. Honestly, like, this palette is just so unique, and it, like, okay, here. So it goes on like this, and it's a magnet, and then you take it off and you can put it in the palette like this, so you have a mirror. Like, this was such a cool concept idea. I'm so proud of her. Like, she put so much sweat, tears, and hard work into this. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this look using her palette. I think it came out so pretty. Like, the colors in the palette are just so pigmented and unique. Honestly, like, you really have to pull your creativity out with this palette, and I'm here for it. Like, I'm here for it. I can't wait to see your guys' looks with this palette. Like, oh my god, I'm just so excited, I can't even. So yeah, the palette is now launched as you're seeing this video, so I will link it down below. Make sure you go cop one. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is just conceal with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This is in the shade 21, and this is just what I'm gonna use all over my lid for my base. Then I'm gonna take the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to pat this concealer down. Okay, so the first color I'm gonna go in with is Karma, which is right here. It's this really pretty, like, vibrant orange red color, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M456 brush, and I'm just gonna do patting motions. Oh my god, you guys, you will never believe what the fuck happened to me and Z last night. So we were getting ready to go to sleep. It was like 2 a.m. or like 1:30 in the morning, and Daisy turned the TV off and she went into her room, and then like 5 minutes later, bitch, the fucking TV turns on by itself. I was like, oh hell no. So I instantly got anxiety, and I already was like, no way, and I was like, damn, I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight. And then as it started getting later and later, me and Z both heard this, literally. And I was like, oh fuck no, this is what Daisy was talking about in her video. I was like, you got me fucked up. So after that, me and Z were literally so scared. And then right outside her door, it sounded like someone was raking leaves, but there was no one there. So at that point, we were like, you know what, fuck it. We went to the car and we literally slept in the car. That's how scared we were. And Tina called me at 7 a.m. and she was like, what the fuck, where are you guys? Why would you leave me? It was so funny. Okay, so I'm gonna put this like on the outer corner and wing it out. And then I'm gonna take the Makeup Shack T63 brush to blend that out. And I'm just gonna add like a little more product back onto the brush. You guys, it's literally, actually, what time is it? Bitch, I've never filmed this early. It's 10:29 a.m. I woke up at 7. I started doing my makeup, well, I started doing this eye at like 9. Bitch, I have never filmed this early in my life. Like, you guys should be proud of me right now, honestly. My ass never wakes up this early. I'm surprised I woke up at 7 and stayed up. Okay, so we're just gonna take a little bit. Bitch, this is such a bomb ass brush. It's just like a small tapered brush. It's really good for getting in here and just blending this out. I'm actually gonna take Passion Fruit, which is right here, and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner and wing that out. And I'm gonna use the Morphe Actually, this doesn't have a number on it, but let me show you guys what it looks like. I don't even, is it even focusing? It's just like a flat tapered brush. Hi, Fren.
Fren, I'm so excited, Fren. Can you hear me scream?
Yeah, bitch. You screamed and I was like, what the fuck?
I didn't know too much editing. I didn't even make her forward.
Bitch, I have never woke up this early and filmed. Never in my life.
Once it goes like, we're all gonna jump.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited. Wait, that was so funny. She was like this. She's like, wait, how do you do it? You're like
okay,
you know what? How do we just do that? You're like,
look what Daisy's wearing.
yeah.
Like, she looks like she just got out.
You look like freaking like legally blonde, like
what?
Just me in the morning. Shelby, eat your tamale.
Oh fuck.
Eat.
I hella forgot about that.
Eat. Come on, Tina. Let her film. Come on, child. Come on. Come on.
Bye.
I'm gonna slide on the door.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade Flower, which is just this yellow shade for her flowers. Aww. And I'm gonna put that on the inner corner and then on top of the whole eye look, basically. So I'm just gonna pat this down per usual. And then now what I'm going to do is just go back in with all the colors until I feel like it's pigmented enough for my liking. So I'm going to go back in with this shade, bitch. I don't know why I'm sweating. I think I'm so excited right now. Bitch, I'm literally sweating so hard. And then I'm going to go in with this Makeup Shack T68 brush. It's just a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to make sure everything's like blending together. And it has like a gradient vibe, you feel me?
You ruin every single moment of mine! Basically, the reason I'm making this video is because I want to let you guys know I'm going to...
Tina, that scared the shit out of me. Oh my god. I was like, oh my god. Sorry. Oh my fucking god. You guys, that scared the living shit out of me. Hi.
What's up, dude?
I'm filming. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Oh my god, guess what?
What?
Some paranormal shit happened to me last night. I swear to God.
Hear it.
And I wish you answered the phone because I was so scared. But alright, I gotta finish filming.
Alright, have fun.
Okay, bye.
Hey, don't let the ghost get you.
I won't. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the concealer again and I'm just gonna cut the crease. I'm actually glad that they made this concealer with a, what is this called again? A dope applicator or some shit like that? Because the one that squirted out was not it, sis. Okay, so now for the inner corner of the cut crease, I'm going to take the shade Icy right here, which is just a really pretty shimmery white shade. Honestly, this is like a bomb-ass inner corner color. Like, this is the inner corner color that we all want, but we never get. So, I'm just going to pat this down. So now I'm going to take Stunt, and I'm just going to put that in the middle, just to add a little extra something, you know. Okay, and then I'm going to take the Passion Fruit color again, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. Then I'm just going to add the Icy color to my brow bone again. Not again, but I'm just going to add this. And then I'm going to take this brush again and just Make sure everything's blended. Okay, now I'm gonna put my lashes on and I will be back for the rest of the face. Oh my god, you guys. This is so pretty. It looks so good. Okay, so to prime, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Serene Greens Primer. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, how do you do this? Why can't I be cool and do this? What? Whatever. You guys, I got this huge ass pimple right here. Literally the day before I came to LA. Like, I swear my skin's just out to get me when I fucking travel. Oh my god, you guys, this look is so pretty. Okay, and then for foundation, I'm gonna go in with the NARS Radiant. I actually wanted to try that Hourglass Vanish, but I think this is actually gonna be way too dark for me. Actually, is it? Actually, yeah, it is, because I know this is gonna oxidize. So I'm just gonna stick with what I know. This is like the perfect color. Did I tell you guys the shade? It's Vienna. This is like the perfect shade for me. This is what I hate about pimples, is when you put foundation over it, the pimple gets dark. Like, I don't know how to fix that. You guys, I'm so excited for tonight. Daisy's having her little like launch party. It's gonna be really intimate. It's just gonna be like all of our close friends. And I'm so excited. I'm about to get... I haven't drank in so long. Like, I know my ass is probably... I might black out. I'm not... I hope I don't, but you know, I might, because I just haven't drank in such a long time that I know my tolerance is going to be like so low. Okay, now I'm just going to set with my Laura Mercier powder. Of course, you guys know the drill at this point with my base. Like, I never switch it up. I'm going to set my face with the Milania powder foundation, and this is in the shade 02 Fresco. And I'm just going to take that on this Makeup Shack brush, T7. Now I'm going to take the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer, and I'm going to bronze the face. Now I'm going to use a blush, and I'm just going to use the Morphe Blush Trio, and I'm going to use the shade Boss right here. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. This is like my favorite highlighter, but I don't have it. I'm going to go do my hair off camera, and then I'm going to be back to finish the rest of the video. Okay, you guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you loved it, and I really hope you cop a palette to support my girl. As I said before, I will have the palette linked down in the description box, so you can just click the link and it'll take you right to the page to purchase the palette. The palette is only running for $19 at the moment, I believe. So, and then in the next couple of days it goes up to $23. So make sure you cop one, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.